Hello students, welcome back to Megamind Mentor. I am Honey. In this video, we are going to do exercise 1C question number 1 and 2 of chapter 1 rational numbers. The concept of this video is around how to add rational numbers when their denominators are different, and also we are going to learn that how to add the rational numbers when they have different denominators. Before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have already made videos on the previous exercises. You may find its link in the description box and also in the I button. Do check it out. Now let's get started with question number 1. So question number 1 says add the following rational numbers, and you have here 6 questions. Now if you look at each of the question, you will see here that the denominators in each case is same. So it becomes very easy to add or subtract the rational numbers when their denominators are same. Now let us see how it is done. Taking the first question, you have minus 2 by 5 and I have to add this with 4 by 5. So we have 5 as the denominator. So we are calculating the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 5 will give you 5 itself. But this is something which we don't write. Okay, so this doesn't come as a part of solution. Instead, we directly go to step number 2, where we know that the LCM is anyways equal to the value of denominator here. So we will directly write that the LCM is 5, and now it's time to add the numerators. So minus 2 gets added with 4. That's it. Now simplify this and you get your answer. So here you have minus 2 plus 4. So our answer is 2 by 5. As simple as that. Now coming to the second question. The second question is minus 6 by 11 is to be added with minus 4 by 11. Again, we are not going to write that we are calculating the LCM. Instead, we are going to come to the next step by writing 11 as the common denominator, as we just took the LCM, and here we write minus 6 is getting added with minus 4. So now you have minus 6 plus minus is minus 4 upon 11. Minus and minus becomes plus. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 11, and greater number sign is minus. So our answer will also be negative rational number. Let us solve the next question. So minus 11 by 8 is to be added with 5 by 8. Again, take the LCM. So you get LCM as 8, and now add the numerators. So you get minus 11 upon 5, and on solving this you get minus 6 by 8. Now this can be reduced to its lowest form by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So in that case I get here minus 3, and when 8 gets divided by 2 I get here 4. So both numerator and denominator I have divided by number, and the simplest form is minus 3 by 4. Taking question number 4 now, you have minus 7 by 3 and you have to add it with 1 by 3. So you get here LCM is 3 minus 7 plus 1. This gives you 3 here. On solving the numerator part, you get here minus 6. Now this whole thing can be reduced because both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So let us divide numerator and denominator by 3. So you get here minus 2 by 1, or we can simply write the answer as minus 2. Let us solve the next question, question number 5. So 5 by 6 is to be added with minus 1 by 6. Take the LCM, you get the LCM as 6, and next add the numerators. Let us simplify. So plus and minus will become minus, and then 1 comes here by 6. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 6. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2. So I will reduce them by dividing it by 2. So I get here 2 by 3. Now let us solve question number 6. Minus 17 by 15 is to be added with minus 1 by 15. So you have here 15 minus 17 plus minus 1 minus 17. So as you open the bracket, plus and minus becomes minus. 1 comes here by 15. So it is minus 18 by 15. Now if you see, both of these number comes in table of 3. So we are going to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. On dividing, you get minus 6 by 5 as your answer. Now let us do question number 2. Now in question number 2, we are going to add the rational numbers when their denominators are different. So if you closely observe all of these questions, you will see that the denominators are different in each of the case here. The first question, let us write 3 by 4 is to be added with minus 3 by 5. Take the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. As 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so their LCM will be their product. It means I have simply multiplied 4 with the 5 and I get their LCM. Next is take the first rational number and make the denominator equal to 20. So if I have to make 4 equal to 20, I have to multiply this by 5. And if I am doing anything with the denominator, I have to do the same thing with the numerator. It means I will multiply the numerator as well with 5. Now we are going to repeat the same thing with the second rational number. So you have minus 3 by 5. Now what I should multiply to 5 to make it 20? So 5 into 4 becomes 20. If I am multiplying the denominator by 4, I have to multiply numerator as well by 4. In the next step, you get here 15 by 20 plus minus 12 by 20. Now the denominators are same. Their LCM is going to be 20. And let us now add the numerators. So you get here 15 plus minus is minus 12 by 20, or you can simply write your answer as 3 by 20. Let us solve the next question. 5 by 8 is to be added with minus 7 by 12. Let us find the LCM of 8 and 12. So LCM of 8 and 12 will be 24. You can find this LCM by using the division method, which looks like this. Now take the first rational number and multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, as 8 into 3 becomes 24. Plus take the second number and multiply this 12 with 2, because 12 into 2 is 24, and with the same 2 multiply the numerator. On solving, you get here 15 by 24 plus in bracket minus 14 by 24. Take the LCM, it is 24. So it is 15 plus minus 14. Let us solve it further. So 15 plus and minus becomes minus 14 on opening the bracket. And your final answer is 15 minus 14 is 1 by 24. Let us take the next question. Minus 8 by 9 is to be added with 11 by 6. Take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 9 and 6 will be equal to 18. Again, you can calculate the LCM by using division method. Take the first rational number minus 8 by 9 and multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, as 2 into 9 is 18. Likewise, take the second rational number, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, as 6 into 3 is 18. Minus 16 by 18 plus 33 by 18. Now 18 becomes your denominator and numerators are simply added. Now minus plus is minus. It means you have to take away 16 from 33. So on subtracting, you are going to get here 17. So 17 by 18. And what sign are you going to give here? The sign of the greater number, which is positive. So our answer will be positive rational number. It means it will be 17 by 18. Coming to the next question. Minus 5 by 16 is to be added with 7 by 24. Now take the LCM of 16 and 24. So we will be getting 48 as the LCM. Now take the first rational number and multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, as 16 into 3 is 48. Likewise, take the second denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, because 24 into 2 is 48. The first rational number becomes minus 15 upon 48. Second becomes 14 by 48. Now take the LCM. You get here 48, and it's time to add the numerators. So on simplifying, you get minus 1 upon 48 as your answer. 7 upon minus 18 is to be added with 8 upon 27. Now, whenever you see that the denominator is negative, you have to make it positive. And how do we make it positive? You need to simply send this negative sign to the numerator. It means in the next step, I can write minus 7 upon 18, making this 18 as a positive number, plus 8 upon 27. I will quickly explain you how this happened. So we have this number here. I have to make this denominator positive. So for making that, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So what is going to happen? See, the denominator becomes positive, right? Minus and minus becomes plus. 18 ones are 18. And the numerator, 7 into minus 1 will become minus 7. So this is what is actually happening. Now let us get back to the question by calculating LCM of 18 and 27. So LCM of 18 and 27 is 54. Again, you can do it by division method, and you will get 54 as the LCM. Now take the first rational number minus 7 upon 18 and multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, as 18 threes are 54. Likewise, take second rational number 18 upon 8 upon 27 and multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So you get here minus 21 upon 54 plus 16 upon 54. Take the LCM, you get here 54, and now it's time to add the numerators. So on solving the numerator, you will get minus 5 upon 54. Now let us do question number 6. Again, you will see here that the denominators are negative. So we know what to do now. We will send the negative sign to the numerator. But actually what we are doing, what is hidden here, that we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So my next step will be minus 1 upon 12 is to be added with minus 2 upon 15. Take the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 15 will be 60. Take the first rational number, minus 1 upon 12. I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, plus minus 2 upon 15. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, as 15 fours are 60. Minus 5 upon 60 plus minus 8 upon 60. Keep on solving. So you get the LCM as 60. Add the numerator. It is 60 by minus 5 plus minus is minus 8. Minus and minus is plus. So add 8 and 5. You get 13. Greater number sign is minus. So I'll put minus by 60. In the next questions, if you see, one of the numbers here is not in form of p by q. Okay, if you see, it is just minus 1, 2 and 0. But all of them are rational numbers. It means we can write it in form of p by q. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'll write these numbers in form of p by q. It means I will write minus 1 as minus 1 by 1, and I will add it with p by 4. take the LCM. So it is very clear that LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. So minus 1 upon 1 is to be multiplied with 4 plus p by 4 is to be multiplied with 1. Okay. On solving this, you get minus 4 by 4 is to be added with p by 4. Take the LCM again, it will be 4, and now it's time to add the numerators. So add them, you get here minus 1 by 4. Coming to the next question, I will write this 2 as 2 by 1, and I will add this with minus 5 by 4. So we all know now, so as we know, now let us take the LCM. So LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4, and now 2 into 4 and 1 into 4 is added with minus 5 by 4. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied with 1. You get 8 by 4, and we are adding it with minus 5 by 4. Denominators are same, so LCM will be 4. Add the numerators now. So it is 8 plus minus is minus 5 by 4. On solving this, we get here 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is our answer. And the last question now. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. It is a rational number 2. And we are adding it with minus 2 by 5. LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. So take this 0 upon 1 and we are multiplying it with 5 plus minus 2 upon 5, we are multiplying it with 1. So it is 0 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5. Take the LCM, it is 5. So you have to add 0 with minus 2. Let us simplify it. So 0 minus 2 by 5. You get your answer as minus 2 by 5. Now it's time to do Megamind wrap up. So what have we learned in this video is how you can add rational numbers when their denominators are same. So whenever you find this kind of case where the denominators are same, you need to simply take the LCM of denominators, which actually will be equal to the denominators itself. And then in the next step, you are going to add the numerators. That's it. Coming to the second point where we have learned how we can add the rational numbers when their denominators are different. So in this case, what you can do is first take the LCM of denominators. So we have done that. Coming to the second step, in the second step, we need to make the denominator of the rational numbers equal to the LCM obtained. And how you can do that? You can simply multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. And once you have done this, now you are going to add the numerators. This is how you add the rational numbers when the denominators are same and when the denominators are different. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video where I will be solving the remaining questions of the exercise. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Do comment. I would love to hear from all of you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.